just have to say, being in the kitchen is one of my favorite things to do. So thank you again for having me here.
Oh, well, we're delighted. And all the work that you do makes sure that we have good Maine products in order to do our kitchen work.
And it's so fun how cookbooks or recipes all tie into our experience in Maine, and how much, as the commissioner, how many different ways you get to experience people's appreciation for agriculture in the state. When I was purchasing this lovely book, I had the first edition, not the second. A gentleman who was just standing beside me said, "I have both of those. They're excellent." So it's just, people have some ownership with Maine, certainly, but recipes that come from Maine, and farmers markets and farm stands and all the best parts of summer.